My dad died when I was 14. My mom left me when I was 4. It was an okay childhood. You know, we had a roof over our head, we had a bed to sleep in, and we had food on the table, but there wasn't much more. As a kid, you know, you want to go camping, you want to go fishing, you want to go hiking, you want to do the outdoor thing, but you know, with budgets, sometimes it doesn't allow certain kids to go certain places. Somebody was kind enough to send my brother and I to Camp Potlatch. I'm forever grateful. And it was just, you know, a sense of relief to get out of the hood, to get out of the east side, and just, you know, go somewhere where everybody's equal. Nobody is, you know, going to say anything mean to you or do anything bad to you. It was a sense of belonging. It was a sense of, you know, fitting in with all the other kids, you know, doing things, whether it was archery or tug of war or rappelling or canoeing or swimming or rowboating. Being there was, you know, it was safe and everybody was treated, you know, like gold. I've been in business like 23 years and I want to give back. What can I do to make other kids' lives better when they made my life better? I take, you know, a small portion of my profits every month and I donate it to the Boys and Girls Club. To me, it's to see a smile on the kid's face is everything. It's a win-win for me, for the way I feel, and for the child that benefits. And hopefully, one day that child will remember and be like me when they're a little bit older, you know, hey, somebody sent me to camp. Maybe I should do the same thing for somebody else. Now it's their turn to give back. And it's just a circle. It's just a complete circle. You know, if you can do a little bit, everybody can do a little bit, the world will be a better place.